Come on, all over this room. Just begin to declare how great He is. See, you never leave me. I know that you won't forsake me. And you are beside me. And that is all that matters. See, you never leave me. I know that you won't forsake me. You're right beside me, and that is all that matters. See, the sun won't smite me, and the moon, it will not hurt me. See, the flood won't sweep me. The Lord is my anchor. See, you are the covenant-keeping God. The covenant-keeping God, Yahweh, the covenant-keeping God, Yahweh, the covenant-keeping God. Say you are leading. You said that you won't forsake me. He walks beside me. What I face, you never leave me. I know that you won't forsake me. He walks beside me, and that is all that matters. The elements can't strike me, the sun won't smite me, and the moon, it will not burn me. The blood won't sweep me. The Lord is my anchor. See, the sun won't smite me, and the moon, it will not hurt me. The blood won't sweep me. Why? The Lord is my anchor. See, you are the covenant-keeping God. You keep your covenant. You keep your covenant. See, you are the covenant-keeping God. Yahweh, the covenant-keeping. You keep your covenant. You keep your covenant. Say you are the covenant-keeping God. See, you are the covenant-keeping. You keep your covenant. You keep your covenant. Say you are the covenant-keeping. See, the covenant-keeping. He is the covenant-keeping God. The covenant-keeping God. Say you are the covenant-keeping. He keeps his covenant. He keeps his covenant. Say you are the covenant-keeping. See, Yahweh, the covenant-keeping. He keeps his covenant. He keeps his covenant. You are the covenant-keeping. See, you never leave me. You said that you won't forsake me. You are beside me, and that is all that matters. You never leave me. You said that you won't forsake me. You are beside me, and that is all that matters. See, the sun won't smite me, and the moon, it will not hurt me. The blood won't sweep me. The Lord is my anchor. See, the sun won't smite me, and the moon, it will not hurt me. The blood won't sweep me. The Lord is my anchor. I don't know if we'll get it. I don't know if we'll get it. He is a God that keeps his covenant. He will not break it. Whatever he says concerning you, it is so. It is so. It is so. Irrespective of what you see with your natural eyes, it is so. Irrespective of what the doctor says, it is so. If he says healing is his children's bread, it is so. If he says he will provide for you, if he takes care of the lilies, what more won't he do for his children? What won't he do for his children? Whatever he says, it is his word. Sing it.
Covenant keeping God, Yahweh, the covenant keeping, Yahweh, the covenant. The promise keeper. Hallelujah. You deliver.